Hello, friends. It's a bright, sunny Sunday, and everybody's having fun.
Jack, catch it! Very good, Bingo.
Bingo, give it to me. Here we go.
Whoa, it's too high. Let me get it.
Lily loves fruit, and now after looking at the fruits, she feels hungry.
Jack, you want to have some fruits? There are so many of them.
Oh yes, I would love to have some.
Danger! Danger! But why? Fruits are my favorite. So, is it because I just missed the catch? No!
Lily is thinking that she has made some mistake, and that is why Olly is stopping her.
I see a lot of germs on your hands, Lily.
But I can't see any germs in my hand.
Yes, you can't see them because they are very, very small. Let me show you.
Oh no! There are so many of them. What should I do now? I don't want germs.
Just wash your hands. That's all. Not just Lily. Everyone should wash their hands because when you play outside, germs get onto your hands.
Okay. Should we wash our hands all the time?
Not all the time, but always before eating anything, or after using the bathroom, or after touching any animals. Now all of you can eat.
Yay!
Where is Jack?
Looks like Jack is having too much fun washing his hands.